Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be making this sesame candy. Here is my sesame seed. So I'm going to be washing it to get rid of all the dirt. Keep watching guys and you get all the process I use to wash. So guys, I'm done washing. I'll be adding in a little bit of salt. It's optional. You can as well leave the salt part. Then I'll mix everything together, put them in a tray and dry it. Here it is after drying. You see how clean it is now. The next process is to fry. So here is my dry pot on fire. I'll be frying it on a medium heat. So I'll continue to stir. Please, when you are doing yours, don't leave it unattended to, because if it burns, your sesame candy will be bitter and we don't want that. So you have to be with it and be turning it till it's well done. So I'm testing it to see if it's okay. I'm done frying. So the next thing for us to do is to heat up my sugar, then let it melt. So you can see all the process. I heat up the sugar on a low heat. You don't want it to burn. So when I'm done, I'll add in the sesame seed. So I'll start mixing the sugar and the sesame seed together. You have to do this on a low heat. You can see them coming together. So I'll continue mixing it until everything comes together. And everything have come together, I'm done. So I'll be putting it on parchment paper to cut it out in my desired shape. You can cut it to any shape of your choice. Form it a ball, cut it into square, any shape at all. So I'll be pouring everything down, then use rolling pin to stretch it out. Cover it with another parchment paper and use rolling pin to stretch it out. Here it is. I'll use my knife. Cut it as it's still warm, because when it's cold it will be very strong for you to cut. You have watched to this extent, kindly hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. To our new subscriber, you are welcome, and to our returning subscriber, thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching. I really appreciate you all. Subscription is free, guys. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. You can see the way I cut mine. I cut it into square and I do some in balls. See how beautiful they came out. So if you're going to be trying this, let me know in the comment section how your own come out. See you all in my next one.